What are you gonna do, Dad? Light it on fire?
Who's 692-994-8?
Whose suit is this?
My mom's.
Face part. I don't think there's any more in there.
Now, Jeff, grab it and go like this.
I don't think so.
Brian, just stomp it.
I don't think there's any more in there. I think we got it.
There's only one bee in there.
We got it.
I got him.
That little bugger was, he was a fighter.
He's pretty fast.
We got him. He doesn't exist anymore. I farted in your suit.
Is this all a video?
Hey, Rob, here's the little list you could check for more.
It's just more in there.
Let me see this again.
Alright, well, don't hog all the moon.